Hello friends, welcome to our website etltestingtutorial.com. Now, after knowing about what is ETL process and how it comes in picture, the next question that must be arising in your mind, how we can perform this ETL process. That is, what all are the ETL tools that are available in the market, which one is in the most demand, and on the basis of which all condition we can work with. So let's look at this slide how we can implement the ETL. We have variety of tools with the help of which we can work with. We have PowerCenter Informatica, that is a product by Oracle. We have SSIS, that is SQL Server Integration Services, that is a product by Microsoft. We have Cognos, we have a product by IBM, and many more. In this way, you can look at these list of all 22 tools that are available in the market, and also the ranking for each and every tool is also mentioned. You can go through these all tools, which one you want on the basis of your requirement. You can decide, and the one that I am going to use in my recorded session as well as within my trainings is Power Center Informatica, that is a product by Oracle. Okay, and we have one more graph with the help of which you can look at which one is in the most demand. And if you look at this, which one is the most famous, Informatica is the one that is the most famous in the market, and after that SSIS is the one. And the reason why I'm using Informatica, I'll show you. If you search for the Informatica jobs within naukri.com, if I look at, wait a minute, Informatica jobs within naukri.com, thousands of job, okay, around 2400 of jobs I am able to see. This is about Informatica. Let's say with Informatica, if I add ETL testing, because we are going to perform ETL testing with the Informatica, around 3000 of jobs, as well as with the help of Informatica we'll perform ETL testing. We'll also going to work on the reports, right? And now if I search for jobs, around 13,000 of jobs. In the same way, all of the all of the things that you will get, all of the modules, all of the subjects that you are going to learn from our website, if you add on, the number of jobs is surely going to be increased exponentially, that are in the demand. Okay, so you can decide which one you want to work, which of the one that you are going to use a lot, which one is in most demand. Okay, and within my recorded session, as I said, we are going to work with the Informatica. And if I show you that I was saying this is the product by Oracle only, if I search for edelivery.oracle.com, this is the only website from where I can find the Power Center Informatica. This is the official website of this Informatica. Okay, I'll just search for Power Center. Wait a minute. The way to decide which one you are going to use for your purpose, it depends on what all are the properties, what all are the things that they provide, what all are the ways to use to work with, to work inside that, what all are the sources that can be implemented, you can use. Okay, so this is around 28 GBs of file that it is going to be downloaded with this Power Center Informatica. And if I accept the agreement, I'll just show you the different versions that are available for the Informatica that are currently working these days. We have around three versions: 9.5.1, 9.6.1, 10.1.0, and within my recorded session I have worked with 9.6.1. You can directly download and start working with this. Okay, so within the next session we'll start working with what is ETL testing and what is a tester's role, and what all are the different kinds of testing techniques that can be performed within ETL. Okay.